Hi everyone, let's talk about Palantir Technologies. So it's a company that builds and develops software platform for the intelligence community in the United States to assist in the counterterrorism investigations and operations. For information should not consider an investment advice. So once again, the price came down to pretty much at the level of which was their forecast, and the price targets $25 at the tip ranks as well as it shows at MarketWatch. Anyway, the stock price in good performance could be reachable to $40 per share, and same we see here in tip ranks 12-month forecast $40. So there's upside to the same as we saw a few months ago, pretty much 2 months ago, when the level of the stock price were there, $40 per share. Yes, it's a volatile share, but I think there is potential because the volumes are pretty good, and I don't see anything like if there was like bad news, but I think the stock price could possibly go up once again. And yes, the revenue is forecasted to grow 23%. Revenue grew by almost 50%, but the company is unprofitable and not forecasted to become profitable. 3 years, volatile share, as I said, significant insider selling. So this one question about the company is the insider sellers were at around this level, 40 level, we can see from the screen. So let's actually go to the insider sellers. So there's the companies, there's individuals that have been selling at the price $11 per share last year September, at $9 per share, and so I'm not quite sure, like they sell all the time, there's no buyers, and this is one of the questions that is like concerning me. Anyway, there's was the private placement, product updates, and some of the other news that affected positively in the stock price. Anyway, 90 days return, so pretty much flat, so 0.3% minus. Long-term price volatility considers lower than the industries and the average market volatility. The valuation side, we see here simple Wall Street ranking the stock. Fair valuation should be around $23 per share. I think the tip ranks has more accurate of some of the stock forecast and price targets. So for me, I believe that there would be a price of $40 per share in the 12-month forecast, as we can see. So playing long term, you lower your risks. And future growth, 67% annual earning growth is forecasted. So the company should be fine based on the forecast. Earnings per share growth is forecasted as well as to grow, but the EPS will be on the plus side. So the company will become profitable in the end of 2024. Past performance. So last year's the earnings are decreased by 98%, which is not good, but anyway, the company is unprofitable and forecasted to become profitable. So I think they have some of the potential to grow. They do have, by the way, cash of $2 billion, and there is a little bit depth. It's on a satisfactory level, only 13%, and the equity is raising as well. So I don't see here any like serious risks. And in top shareholders, we see general public holdings 61%, institutions 22%, individual insiders 9.8%, public companies 5.9%. This is like the second concern because top shareholders have been decreasing. It's actually last reporting holding date, not so fresh, last year's. But we see here, for example, BlackRock has added, and also Vanguard Group 2,700%. So I think they have potential to grow to the $40 per share. And simple save dividends, just to check the shares outstanding. So they are increasing and total sales are increasing as well. So this is pretty much that's why investing.com summoning this stock for long-term investors as a strong buy. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and see you in a future one.